Hello everybody. Today's science we are making air cannon. To make the science we need tape, scissors and cups and balloon and bottle, and we don't need lid and bottom. Doesn't matter. First we need to connect it and cut it. It's quite hard, and use the scissors. Cut it. Then we put the balloon on the hole. Then we wrap it with tape. And our air cannon is done. And now we build a cup tower. Then we can blow it up. Did you see the cups explode? If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell. Bye bye.